Let's talk about one more grouping of Python operators. We're going to talk about comparison operators. Now, these are going to become even more relevant and important to us as we start getting into logical statements within our Python projects. But for now, let's just get an understanding of working with and what they are, comparison operators. Take a look. So back inside my command window, I'm going to create a couple of variables. I'm going to say A equals 5 and B equals 10. Okay, couple variables, couple numbers inside there. Now we know the assignment operator, the standard assignment operator is the equal sign. Now what if you want to compare two values? Now if I do this, A equals B, I want to know if A equals B. Well, what's a single equal sign? It's the assignment operator. So in this case, I would be taking A and making it equal to B. So A was 5, B was 10. In this case, now A equals B, A would become 10. That's not what I want. I don't want to assign it a value. I want to compare them. I want to know if A is equal to B. So in that case, you don't use a single equal sign, but you use double, two equal signs. So I want to know if A is equal to B. This is your comparison operator. I'll hit my enter key, and in this case, it's false, right? I'll say A equal 5. Does A equal 5? I'll hit my enter key, and that's true. It does equal 5. So this is your comparison operator, your standard comparison operator. I just want to know if the two values are equal to one another. Now, what if you want to know kind of the flip? I want to know if they're not equal to one another. Well, what if I do A, bang, or exclamation mark, equals B? This is your not comparison operator. I want to know if they're not equal to one another. So I'll hit my enter key, and it's true because they're not equal to one another. What if I say A, bang, equals, or exclamation mark, equals 5? I want to know if those two values are not equal to one another. I'll hit my enter key, and that's false because they are equal to one another. So you got your comparison, your standard comparison equals equal. You got your not comparison, and then you've got several other comparison operators that you could use as well within Python. We can do greater than equal to, less than equal to, less than. You've got all those standard operators that you use perhaps in other languages or in other locations. For example, greater than, I can say is A greater than 4. Well, is it? What is A? A is currently 5. In my enter key, that's true. It is greater than 5 is greater than 4. Well, let's see. Is B less than or equal to 14? And what is, oh, it's 10. Okay, well, is B less than or equal to 14? Did I change it somewhere? B is less than, or yeah, it is. B is, it's 10, right? It's less than or equal to 14. Let's see, what if I did B less than equal to 9? That's false, right? It's 10, it's actually greater than that. So these are your comparison operators. Again, these are just some of them. Equal sign, that's your assignment operator. Double equals, that's your comparison. Do these two compare to one another? Are they equal to one another? Then you got your not. Remember the exclamation mark with the equal sign. You've got your greater than, your less than, your greater than equal to, your less than equal to, and there's a few others, but these are the common ones that you're going to experience as you work within Python programming. So try these out. Get a feel for working with them. You can just drop some numbers in there, compare them, drop some variables, compare them, whatever you want to do. But get a feel for working with some comparison operators within Python.